Welcome friends. In this very important video, I am going to tell you my next targets of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum and some other coins. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel and my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Here you can see this is the Bitcoin Tether US 1 hour Binance chart, and currently Bitcoin is falling as I predict. In my previous video. In my previous video, I was telling you these are sport lines, 33,996 and 32,443. Here you can see Bitcoin break this falling wedge and move towards upside. After that, a big dump comes, and here you can see Bitcoin break this support level 2. Bitcoin break this support level 2 and will go to and go to $32,000 level. Now, very important question is that what is the next target and what is the next big move for the Bitcoin right now? Currently, I am not very bullish and not very bearish in Bitcoin because I think Bitcoin will pull back from what level that I am going to show you in this video. First of all, let me please show you some other things. Let me remove this because this is now irrelevant to us. Here you can see Bitcoin break this symmetrical triangle, big symmetrical triangles towards downside, and after that Bitcoin retest it again, and after that we saw a pullback, and here you can see currently Bitcoin is now at that point. Is Bitcoin going to $24,000 or $25,000? Many of my subscribers are asking to me, and I am going to tell you exactly what I am thinking right now. For this, you have to wait and please watch this video complete. Before continue to the content, if you are new user, please subscribe my channel and please thumbs up the like button. And please, if you want to do leverage trading, then you can get $600 bonus on Bybit exchange. It is absolutely free. And if you deposit 0.01, then you can get $150 profit bonus. Sorry. If you deposit 0.05, then you can get $150 bonus. Here you can see this is the detail of your bonus. And this is for the experienced traders only. If you are experienced, then you can collect this bonus. And if you want to open a Binance account, then link is in this video description and in comment section too. You can open Bybit exchange account and you can open Binance account and get these bonuses. Let me please focus on the content, and here you can see. Now what I am thinking right now. Right now, Bitcoin must have to hold this support, I think, which is at 31,300 to 31,400, and if Bitcoin does not hold and break this support towards downside, then I think this will be the disaster. Major support after that is only one which is at $30,500 to $30,600 level. If Bitcoin do not pull back from that level or from that level, maybe we may see some kind of action like this, and after that we saw a pullback, and maybe Bitcoin break this support and at its final spot, maybe we say Bitcoin pump again and Bitcoin again hit this level, and after that we may see some dip, and after that it will go down, go up. These all are things I am waiting for, but I have to tell the facts right now, and so please stay in the video. And here you can see, if Bitcoin do not hold this support, then I was told you my target is at $22,400 level, which will be the disaster for the Bitcoin right now at this momentum. Because Bitcoin still in my thoughts, Bitcoin is still bullish, and once we lose this support, which is at $30,500 level, then I think we may think that Bitcoin is definitely going to hit 25,000 or maybe 24,000, maybe 22,000 in near future. But we have to wait. Bitcoin must have to hold these two supports, which is at 31,400 and $30,600 to $30,500. These are the major support levels for the Bitcoin. Let me please show you my next bearish target. If I take this, here you can see. Let me please arrange this chart. Friends, please stay in the video because I am going to tell you very important things in this video, and going to show you very important charts of a very important chart of Ethereum and Ripple too. So that's why please stay in the video. Here you can see Bitcoin is currently fighting with this level, which is at 32,600 and which is at 0.78, and if Bitcoin break this towards downside, then next target will be $29,600 level, and after that Bitcoin is going to hit golden pocket, which is at $27,400 level. Sorry, $27,600 level. You have to watch these levels very carefully. If Bitcoin do not hold this support and break this support level, which is at 31,400 or 30,600, then definitely Bitcoin is going to hit first is $29,600 level, then 27,500, I think so. These are the major levels. We have to wait, we have to watch. These are the next bearish target for me right now. You have to watch carefully, and you have to please do not use high leverage in that kind of situation. Always use low leverage in that kind of situation. Here you can see this is the EMA ribbon currently now is acting like a resistance for the Bitcoin, and here you can see these two levels which are at $34,000 level and 34,200. These both levels are no strong resistance for the Bitcoin right now. If Bitcoin break these both levels, 34,000, 34,200, then Bitcoin must have to break $35,200 and must have to close overly candle above this level. Please note this level, 35,300, 35,200. These are the levels. Bitcoin must have to close overly candle above 35,200 or $35,300 level. Then I will think that Bitcoin now is ready for next bull target. But currently it is not happening, and now you can see Bitcoin is currently at $32,800 level. We have to wait, we have to analyze the charts, and please join my Telegram channel, because in my Telegram channel I regularly update. And if you are a new user and if you want to get $600 bonus, then please join with my link, which is in this video's description and in comment section too. You can join Bybit exchange and you can join Binance exchange. Let me please show you my next chart because this video is very important to all of you. Here you can see this is the Ethereum chart, Ethereum 1 hour chart, Ethereum 1 hour USDT chart. Here you can see. Let me please hide the EMA ribbon. Ethereum was in this falling channel, and here you can see Ethereum do not hold this support level, which was at $1,280 level, and here you can see Ethereum is now struggling in this downtrend line here, which is at I think $1,210. If Ethereum break this towards downside, then definitely Ethereum is going to hit this level, which is at 1180, which is the major support for the Ethereum right now. If Ethereum break this support zone, then Ethereum must have to go 1120 to 1125 levels very soon. So please do not trade Ethereum with very high leverage. Always use 3 or 5x in your trades, otherwise you can get wrecked. Now I am going to tell you my bearish target. In that case, if Ethereum break this downward channel, downside channel, or falling channel, then here you can see this is the next bearish target for the Ethereum right now. Here you can see this is at 1082. You can say $1,080 is the next target. If Ethereum break this towards downside and close overly candle below, I think, which is at $1,200 level. If Ethereum close overly candle below $1,200 level, then I think it will break this support zone, and if Ethereum hold this, that is good. If Ethereum break this support zone, then definitely Ethereum will go to 1120, 1130, and maybe 1086. You have to watch these levels very carefully. This is the first scenario. Let me please show you the other scenario. If Ethereum pull back from that, here you can see we saw some rejection from that point. If Ethereum pull back from that point and break this support zone, which is at 1280, then Ethereum must have to break this upper trend line, which is at $1,330 level. If Ethereum do this, then Ethereum definitely is going to hit 1430. Maybe after that we see some sideways action, and after that Ethereum will go high. But these levels are very important. You have to wait and you have to watch these levels very carefully. Let me please tell you again. First level is $1,200 level. If Ethereum break $1,200 level towards downside, then 1180 is very big spot for the Ethereum. If Ethereum break this too, then 1120 and maybe 1080. These are the targets. And if in any condition Ethereum break towards upside, let me please clone this. Here you can see. Then our next bullish target for the Ethereum right now, let me please tell you 1438. If Ethereum break this rising channel towards falling channel towards upside and break this support zone and break this upper trend line, which is at $1,320, then it is definitely going to hit its all-time high again. But I think we have to wait. If Ethereum break this $1,280, which is acting like a resistance for the Ethereum right now, then we may think Ethereum may break $1,320 level, and after that maybe Ethereum is going to hit $1,400 level very soon. But we have to watch very carefully. And if Ethereum do not hold this, reject from that point and do not hold this low trend line or support zone, which is at $1,200 level, then definitely it is going to hit 1180. And if it fails to hold this too, then definitely it is going to hit $1,080 to $1,090 level soon. I think I told you very important levels. First is $1,200 level and second is $1,180 level. If Ethereum do not hold these levels and break these support zones, then definitely Ethereum is going to hit 1120 and 1085 to 1080 very soon. If Ethereum move towards upside and break, once again I am telling you, if Ethereum move towards upside and break $1,280 level, then it have to break $1,320 level for upside movement, and after that maybe Ethereum will hit again its all-time high. Here you can see this is the EMA ribbon right now, and which is at $1,318 level. Any candle, if Ethereum close above overly candle above $1,320 level, this will be the indication that we are now in again bullish zone. And let me please show you because Ethereum was in this rising channel and Ethereum break this rising channel towards downside. Let me please calculate the target. Ethereum break this rising channel towards downside from that point. Here you can see how exactly this target and how exact is target. This target is 1110 to 1120, the range. I think Ethereum must have to hit if Ethereum break 1200 and $1180 level, then in that case. Otherwise Ethereum must have to break 1280 and $1320 level and to move for the upside. You can note these levels, you can note the support zone. I will post this in my Telegram channel, and please note these levels. Let me please show you my next chart, which is XRP. Here you can see XRP break this very important support line, downtrend line, and here you can see XRP is struggling. I think maybe XRP will go up and reject from that level. For that XRP must have to hold 0.278. If XRP fails, then 0.27 and maybe 0.25 very soon. Currently I am not very bullish in XRP right now because XRP is in downtrend and must have to break this trend line, which is currently at 0.29. 0.2910 sorry. If XRP break this upper downtrend line and close overlay candle above this upper trend line, downtrend line, then I think it will again hit 0.30. Otherwise maybe it will go up and hit this, and after that it will go down to this level, which is at 0.25 or 0.26 level, $26 level. We have to wait, and let me please show you my next chart, which is LTC. Here you can see we saw a pullback from that support zone, which is at 135, and here you can see XRP is Litecoin is struggling to hold this level. If Litecoin hold this level and pull back and break this downtrend line, which is at $141 level, then I think it will hit 144, and if break this, then definitely it is going to hit again. But currently I am not sure that Litecoin will do that kind of move. I think we have to analyze this pennant right now, and we have to calculate the target of this pennant, and here you can see this is the target. This is the bearish target for me right now for Litecoin. If $114 level, if Litecoin break towards upside, then definitely it will go to this level, which is at, let me please label on this, 170. We have to wait. These two levels are very important, 170 and 114. I think Litecoin must have to hold $135 level. If break this towards downside, then definitely it will go to 125, 120 and maybe 114 very soon. Let me please show you my other chart, which is EOS. Here you can see EOS is currently in this falling broadening wedge, and here you can see if we calculate the target, and let me please arrange this chart. If we calculate the height, if EOS break this towards upside, then our target will be at 2.74, and if it break towards downside from that level, let me please show you, because I am not very bullish, and I think EOS will go down in my thoughts. Here you can see. If EOS do not hold this support zone, which is at 2.52, then EOS definitely will hit 2.44, and maybe I think it will go more down, and let me please show you. Then definitely it is going to hit 2.36 very soon. These two levels are very important for the EOS, which are $2.52 level and $2.36 level. If EOS break these support zones, then definitely this will be the disaster for the EOS. If EOS pull back from that point and break this $2.67 level, then definitely EOS will have to break this upper trend line, which is at $2.7 level. After that, it will go to hit 2.8 or 2.9. Let me please show you my next chart, which is Link USDT. This is the Link chart. Here you can see Link break this rising channel towards downside and was in this symmetrical triangle type pattern. I think it is symmetrical triangle too, and the bearish target for this rising channel was 17.76, and if we calculate the target of this symmetrical triangle or planet, you can say, then our target will be, let me please, here you can see how exactly. Then our next bearish target for the Link coin is 15.47, and if it pull back from that point and break this upper trend line, and then definitely it will going to hit 24.78, but I think it is not possible in that kind of situation. I think it will go down to 17.76 very soon, and maybe 15.45. Let me please show you my next chart, which is XLM USDT Stellar. Here you can see. This is the Stellar Romance chart. Here you can see Stellar is in this falling wedge, and currently it is holding the level of 0.2715, and after that we saw a pullback. If Stellar break this towards upside, and let me please calculate the target for the Stellar immediate short-term target. If this happens, then let me please do this. Then definitely it is going to hit in near future 2.95. Otherwise, if lose this grip, lose this support zone, then definitely it is going to hit. Here you can see this is the target 2.18 for me, and if I clone this, and if we still break this from that point or that point, then our target will be 0.238. I think it's still will lose this break zone, and definitely it is going to hit this level 0.23 or maybe 0.218. And if we see a pullback and break this, if still break this upper trend line, then definitely it is going to hit 0.2950, or maybe it will go high to hit 0.32. These levels are very important. Kindly note that levels. These levels are 0.270 and 0.2770. Let me please show you my other chart. Kindly friends, show your support to me, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Here you can see this is the ADA USDT. Here you can see ADA was in this falling channel, a falling wedge, and break this towards upside and break and hit exact target of this falling wedge. And now it is again in bearish zone. And let me please show you next target of this ADA coin. If ADA fail to support to hold this support zone, which is at 0.327, then ADA will hit 0.2950 very soon. ADA break this very important downtrend support zone, and from that point and we see a pullback, but after that we see a dump, and now ADA is struggling right now. If ADA do not hold this break support zone, then definitely ADA is going to hit 0.2950 and maybe 0.2450. Let me please show you my next chart, which is Polkadot. Here you can see Polkadot break this falling channel towards upside, and after that we saw rejection in Polkadot, and now we have to wait for the next targets. Let me please tell you. This is currently the major support zone for the Polkadot, which is at 14.53. If Polkadot break this support zone, then definitely it is going to hit 13.5, maybe 12.5. This is the support zone Polkadot is struggling to hold. If Polkadot break this support zone and go down, then definitely it is going to hit 14.53 and maybe 12.50. These are the target for the Polkadot right now for me. If it move towards upside, then next target for the Polkadot is from the beginning of this, which is at 19.5, I think so. Let me please show you my last coin, which is BNB coin. Friends, please show your support and please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel for more informative content and regular update. Because in my Telegram channel I post regularly, and I post regular updates in my Telegram channel. Let me please remove this line. Here you can see this is the BNB chart, Binance coin chart, and Binance is struggling to hold this support zone and which is 40.62, and after that maybe we see if BNB reject from that point, then I think 30.84, maybe $35 level, very near in this Binance coin right now. I am not sure, but I think it will have to go from that level, because there are some reasons. Let me please tell you the reasons. First reason is that BNB coin must have to join this support zone, and which is at 37 point, I think 16, you can say $37 level, because bearish target of this rising wedge will be the opening or starting point of this rising wedge. So that's why it must have to join this level, which is at 36.82 or maybe $37 level. If BNB fail to hold this level, then definitely it is going to hit $30 level very soon. This is the one scenario. Let me please show you the next scenario, and please stay in the video and please watch complete video. And the next scenario is that if BNB break this downtrend line and upper trend line, which is at currently $41 level, then this will be the indication maybe we see some major upside movement, and maybe BNB is going to hit $46 level in near future. But for this, BNB coin must have to break this upper trend line, which is currently at 41.12, and if BNB break this upper trend line and close overly candle above this trend line, then definitely it is going to hit, again it will join the party, and it will again hit $45 to $46 level. Otherwise, I am very, very bearish in this zone, because for that it will go to I think the beginning of this rising wedge, and which is at $36 level. So these are the two targets for me, long term or medium term targets, $47 level and maybe $36 level. We may see some actions in between these levels. I think so. That is the video, friend. Please join my Telegram channel, and please, if you do not like this video, please like this video, please thumbs up like button, and please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon to get notified whenever I upload the video, the new video and new informative content. So please show your support, and if you are new user and if you want to join leverage trading, then you can open a Bybit account and Binance accounts. Links are in this video's description, and you can get $600 bonus in Bybit exchange. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.